Hi, I'm Susie from the Land O'Lakes Culinary Center, here to talk about how to properly handle our shelf-stable cheese sauces. In this video, you will learn how to store, heat, hold, and serve Land O'Lakes cheese sauces. Let's get started. First, make sure you are storing the product appropriately. Our cheese sauce does not need to be refrigerated or frozen and belongs in your dry storage area. When you're ready to start cooking, make sure you have all the equipment you need ready to go before you get started. Oven mitts, hotel pan, tongs, thermometer, scissors, and a ladle. The preferred method for heating is to steam or boil the pouches. Prior to heating, remove the sticker. For steaming, place the pouches on a perforated pan and heat for about 12 to 15 minutes until you reach 145 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 seconds. If boiling, do not overcrowd the kettle and make sure to jostle the pouches periodically. Remove carefully with tongs and tempt to confirm the sauce has reached 145 degrees Fahrenheit. We know equipment can vary. If you can't heat using the preferred methods, alternate heating options include stovetop. Empty the pouch into the kettle over medium heat. Stir often to avoid burning until the sauce reaches 145 degrees Fahrenheit. Or try using a water bath in the oven. Carefully place the pouches in a water bath and remove when the pouches reach 145 degrees Fahrenheit. Now that the sauce is hot, here's how to hold it for best performance. First, make sure that the holding unit will keep the product warm at 140 degrees Fahrenheit. If you've heated the sauce in the pouch and are not mixing it with other ingredients, keep it in the pouch until just before service. This keeps the moisture from escaping and prevents thickening. If pre-panning, pour into a hotel pan and cover tightly. And remember, during service, stir frequently. Now let's troubleshoot with some sauce preparation don'ts. Sauces that use quality dairy will tend to thicken while holding and may also form a skin. To keep the skin from forming, stir frequently during service. If a skin forms, stir vigorously to reincorporate back into the sauce. Lastly, we do not recommend panning more than one pouch at a time. This will lead to longer holding times and more moisture loss. Now that you know how to store, heat, and hold the sauce, you can enjoy it in a variety of recipes, from simple stir-ins to layered lasagnas. One of the best features of our sauces is that they can take on a range of flavors, so try them in a kid-favorite customization station. For more recipes and resources, visit our website, Facebook page, or YouTube channel.